A strategy that showed a 90% signal success rate. Sounds like a fairy tale, but it's not. It's all true. So I'm Olivia, and this video I'm gonna show the strategy I discovered and tested myself. So we'll be shocked by the results as I was. But before we start, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. All the links in the description. Let's get started. Okay, we're already on the platform and it's almost all set up. First, let's set the chart type and 5-second time frame. So those are the settings you see on your screens. And just as important, we have got two indicators. One is Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, where we don't change any values but turn off the first three lines. Only the two lower lines should be visible on the chart, so save it. And also modulator, where we set the values to 10 and 40, and we can leave everything else as is. So now we are definitely ready to work, and I will find a good moment and open a trade with you. So guys, here is our first trade and I'm going short. You can see a very fresh signal has formed, and what's key to note here is our cloud formed by two lines, because as you remember, we turned off the others. And just as importantly, besides our cloud, the price has passed through it and now is below it. So our oscillator also gave a short signal right after the price crossed the cloud. This combination is exactly what will be our signal in this strategy. We're opening for 2 minutes in this video, but overall this strategy works well up to 5 minutes. Though 5 is rare, so I would recommend using 2-3 minutes per trade. As usual, we open with 1% of the deposit or even a bit less. So I'm opening this trade with $500 because we don't need extra risks. After all, we are here to earn, not to play lottery. And as you can see, the price has already dropped significantly in just 1 minute. But let's watch what happens by the end. Though to be honest, I'm very confident in this strategy. It's rare to find strategies that show 90% success on tests. Okay, we see just a few seconds left till the trade ends. And the trade closes in profit. There was a bit a tense moment, but that's pretty normal, especially since our time frame is 5 seconds. Those jumps that might scare newbies will always happen. The key is to manage your emotions and not to fall for these provocations. Because as you can see, the price still drops and I'm sure it will go lower, but for you, I will now look for a long signal. Okay, here is a grid setup and I'm going long for 2 minutes. The trade moved pretty fast, which is great because strategies with this kind of success rate don't float the chart with signals. Sometimes you have to hunt for them, but the effort is with solid results, and the situation here is similar. So our price has crossed the cloud, and just as importantly, our oscillator shows this upward move. You can see the price crossing, and the next bar on the oscillator is already above the zero line. So this is an ideal situation, almost textbook you could say, and we're lucky to hit two such setup back to back in such a short time. But the key is to seek out this exact situation, not jump in a bit early or think like this trade might work. So this kind of strategies demand attention and persistence. But the result is in front of you. The price has just shot to the moon. There were long trades should close in profit, I think. So there is 40 seconds left and I don't think anything critical will happen now. While the trade closes, I want to remind you that our oscillator values are 10 and 40 on our second indicator. So we didn't change those and we only turned off those lines because, let's be honest, the chart looks way less cluttered without them. And yes, our second trade closes in profit. And I think we'll wrap up here since I don't want to drag this video length too much. Okay guys, right before your eyes, I managed to earn $850. So the trades were super clean and everything went smoothly. And I'm not just hyping success rate of this strategy, it really impresses. So I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Also, don't forget about my Telegram channel. There you can message me personally. This was Olivia and see you later.